Hello and welcome to today's video on high altitude investing. Today is going to be 3 long-term investments I'm looking at in the cryptocurrency world and why I think they're good long-term investments. So let's just get right into this. Let me go ahead and switch to my other screen. Excellent. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to start off with my number one, which is Bitcoin. Now, as much as talk as there is about the hard fork and stuff, and all of the FUD right now in Bitcoin, it still hasn't broke its trend line, and so it's still technically in an uptrend. So I'm not shorting it or anything because I'm still in on my position, and I'm not shorting it or anything until it either breaks above or breaks below this triangle. So this is an ascending triangle. The way that the way that you find these is you just find a triangle or an uptrend, and then you find the top and you put a horizontal line and draw and watch for it to either break or fall from the triangle. And so what I'm waiting in Bitcoin is either to break or fall from this triangle, and it hasn't done either yet, and we're still in between this 78% at 1,080 and below, or the other support is at around 900. Now the reason I don't think that Bitcoin will crash really hard, I mean it obviously could, but until it breaks below that trend, it hasn't even made a move that's really that crazy yet. So I'm waiting for it to break below this trend line or above. I still think really long term, especially on Bitcoin, because you could make a cryptocurrency that pegs the value of holding Bitcoin. If you have stake in Bitcoin, you could get rewarded in another cryptocurrency. So there's lots of things that could keep Bitcoin alive. And long term, it's a programmable currency. It's built to adapt and evolve. It's not bound by anything really, so I think that long-term Bitcoin is still an excellent investment. By the way, in the description of the video I'll have all the links to these trading view ideas of mine. You guys can check them out. Now the other one that I wanted to look at, so yeah, I'm just waiting for it to break this ascending triangle above the 1243 range, and that would be an entry point for me. If it breaks above 1243, I would enter again on Bitcoin. So yeah, let's go ahead and look at Monero. I think Monero is a strong bull run. This is a triangle pitchfork, and it hasn't hit any resistance yet. I'm waiting for it to hit this green zone, probably somewhere along in the next few weeks, maybe even a month, hit above up into this pitchfork a little bit further. But until we actually get up into this area, I don't really see resistance until like 0.034, and because there's a lot of demand for it, and because I think the Monero community is pretty well established now, I think this is also another good long-term investment to be looking at least through 2017. Alright, so let's look at another one. This is the Ethereum run, and this is since this is let's see, March 10th, when it broke out really high here. And I'm doing the same thing here. I'm trading this as an ascending triangle. I have an entry position already, so I'm either waiting for the break or the fall. And right now it looks like it might do the break, but you never know until it does one or the other, and then you make your decision. If it breaks, I would enter again. If it falls, I would sell. So that's what I'm looking for right now inside of this. So we'll see exactly what happens, but that's my Ethereum idea. And long term on Ethereum, I see a huge bull run, especially since it was added to Coinbase, and the community is extremely established and very, very alive too, and constantly trying stuff. So I feel like Ethereum's going to be around for a while. and so in my opinion, it's another good long-term investment. Now, as far as, I'm just going to add one quick thing into this video. As far as like a day trading coin, I'm entered in on Zcash, a really good entry position down at the 0.0305 Bitcoin range, right at that, after that double bottom it made on the day right here, 1 minute or 30-minute candlestick. And I'm doing the same thing with this. I like to use these ascending triangles when I'm trading. It helps me set my stops because I can just set my stops like, you know, a little bit below this trend line right here, that triangle trend line, and then usually even these wicks won't stop me out. So yeah, I like to trade the ascending triangle, and I think this one will break above also. But those are just three I'm looking at, is Bitcoin, Monero, and Ethereum. Definitely ones to keep your eye on, and I'm day trading Zcash right now. So I just wanted to mention that today. I was going to make a video on support and resistance in more detail, but I'm going to have to do that probably on Tuesday, so be watching out for that. I appreciate you tuning in for today's video. Quick run over the market cap is at $23,779,807,715. 24-hour volume is at $743,146,144. And Bitcoin dominance is right on the 70%, right around the 70% mark. And most everything's in the green today, and we have pretty good volume. So I'm still looking bullish on cryptocurrencies, and especially since all the stuff that's happening with the US dollar and how the stock market's super high right now. I kind of feel like these are really good investments, and especially if you're thinking long term, just buy, hold, grow account. That's usually a pretty safe way to build a good long term. I think Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are really good retirement plans, honestly. I mean, you wouldn't want to bank anything. You wouldn't want to bank all of that on your retirement, but it could be an alternative retirement plan on top of what you already have, a pretty good one. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking, and I appreciate you guys tuning in today. Be watching out for tomorrow's video. Go ahead and check out my Twitter, follow me, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any feedback either way on this video. You can email me, and check out digitalcurrencytraders.com. There are two free amazing courses on here that you can take. How to earn free Bitcoin and tips for new traders. And then there's a $450 course, and this is also a lifetime membership into the Lumbridge City community. And this is digitalcurrencytraders.com. You can sign up with the promo code HighAltitude20 for 20% off on this lifetime membership. I highly recommend it. It's a great community. He really knows what he's doing. He's part of the inspiration for my channel, so go ahead and check that out and use the promo code HighAltitude20, as you can check on my Twitter here for that promo code if you need. It will also be in the description. But thank you for tuning in today. I appreciate your time, and as always, stay profitable.